Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making homemade chicken stock. It's very easy to make. It's just a few ingredients. You can use it for many things. So we're going to start with, got some water in the pot so it can be getting hot, and I've chopped up celery, carrots, just big chunks, onions. I got some garlic in here. That's pretty much it for the vegetables. Just chop them up big. They don't have to be fine. We're going to put them in the thing. And I got 2 breasts. I'm just going to put that in there. They have the bone in them and the skin, but you can use a carcass, chicken carcass, but that skin and bone's going to help flavor it. I'm going to put some more water in here till you cover up the chicken. Then we're going to put our seasoning. I'm going to start off with some chicken bouillon. You can get this powdered if you don't want to unwrap this little boy. But this is easy. It'll dissolve as it gets hot. It's going to be great chicken broth. Let's get the aroma. It's going to be good. Good. Let's put 3 bay leaves, and we're going to put thyme, probably a tablespoon. That smells good too. I'm going to put salt, probably a teaspoon and a half, pepper, that's some onion powder, probably a teaspoon, and garlic powder. And that was probably about 8 cups of water. We'll stir that in there. We're going to boil this for about, I guess, an hour. We're going to boil it until that chicken is done. We'll put the lid on, but not all the way. And we're going to cook it until it's done. And then we're going to drain it. And I'll show you how to do that. Well, my chicken's done, and I've taken my chicken out and I've strained it. This is some of the broth. Look how rich it looks, and this is halfway full. So it makes a pretty good bit of broth. I'm going to make chicken pot pie casserole with this chicken with cheddar bay biscuit topping. So look for that recipe later on. So I hope you like this video and making the broth. It's just so easy to make homemade rich broth for your recipes. You can keep this broth in the refrigerator up to 4 days, or you can freeze it for 3 months. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.